Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be going over my entire setup at an event. Now, this is my 360 booth along with my digital photo booth. And I combined both of them because a client wanted to book both booths for this event. For me, that's a lot of dollars and that's great. And I want you guys to experience the same thing in 2023. Let me go over my setup with you guys in this video. And by the way, everything that you guys see in this video, I'm going to put in the description box below. That way you guys have access to everything that I'm using, from props to the enclosure to the carpets and stuff like that. Enjoy the video, guys. Let's rock it out. All right, guys, so we got the inflatable enclosure LED digital photo booth on and popping. This is the attraction screen right here. It's a live screen, also known as an animated screen. So the company that we're working with today is ASG American Safety Group. This is something that I put together myself. I have one LED light right in here and it's connected to the outside. I'm going to show you guys the connections. Let me take you around right over here. This is how the digital photo booth looks like. I have the key to these areas right here. I have the iPad with a power bank right here, so I don't have to worry about the iPad running out. Let's walk out this way. This is how the exterior looks like. Now we can change this color if we need to, but right now we're gonna leave it at white because white really complements the cube. Then we have patch right over here. This is the iPad sharing station, which we're gonna be connecting and syncing to the 360 booth in a few moments when we're ready to spin. If you guys follow me right over here to the prop table, this is where all the props are gonna be located. So this is the 360 booth neon sign. You wanna keep this place somewhat lit so that people can come here and grab whatever props they feel they wanna go ahead and get creative with. Right now. Yeah. Now, if you guys follow me right this way, we got stanchions and a black carpet running with lighting right over here. Now, I want to show you guys something. Let's back it up a little bit. Now, come this way. And now, as you guys can see, these lights right now are about to come to life. So just focus on the lights for a few seconds. And now you guys are starting to see the beam. You see the beam from your end? Yeah, so that really comes to life. And what's triggering that is the fog machine. I think it's a 700 watt fog machine I have running right in the bottom. You can actually see the fog machine right here, right? You see the red lighting in the bottom? Go ahead and get a close up back over there. Yeah, so that's it right there. Now let's step back right over here because I am going to go ahead and launch the Gold Spark machine. Alright, so the Gold Spark machine is something that we want to use the last hour just so they can have videos and switch over the transition. So you go ahead and light up that second one. There you go. So that's the vibe we're going to be rolling with today. So that is the setup for right now. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you guys soon.